Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stash, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Stash website or download the Stash app from your app store. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive an email to verify your account. Open your email and find the verification message from Stash. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. Return to the Stash app or website and log in using your email and password. Complete the onboarding questions to help personalize your experience. Provide your personal information, including your name and address. Enter your date of birth to confirm your age. Input your social security number for identity verification. Answer questions about your employment status and income. Review any additional information required by Stash. Make sure all your details are correct before proceeding. Submit your information for review. Once your account is approved, you will receive a confirmation. Log into your Stash account to start exploring investment options. Familiarize yourself with the interface and options available. Consider setting up a funding method to add money to your account. Choose the investment plan that best suits your needs. Start your investment journey with Stash at your own pace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.